So we are here at the Marienplatz, and this is the heart of the Munich. So Marienplatz is the center of Munich and the perfect starting point for a visit to the Bavarian capital. Here we can see the magnificent new city hall on the north side that dominates the square-shaped plaza. And in the tower of the city hall is a viewing platform, and below which is the historic carillon that sounds twice a day. And the old city hall closes of Marienplatz to the east in the center of the Marian column commemorates the end of the 30 Years' War. At the fish brunnen or fish fountain, the people of Munich meet here in order to socialize. And here, this is the Church of St. Peter, Munich's oldest parish church. This is just stones throw away and offers a great view over the old town from its tower. There are stores and restaurants around Marienplatz. The pedestrian zone begins here, and it is only a few steps to the Victualien Market and the Front Church, which is the Church of Our Lady. Events take place here all year round. To name a few, the Christkindl Market or the Christmas Market, but apparently because of the pandemic, the Christmas Market doesn't exist at the moment. And also here, events like City Foundation Festival in summer, the traditional purse washing at the end of the carnival, the championship celebrations of FC Bayern cultural festival on May 1st also takes place here.
And I will follow you through the night. I'll follow you.
Unfortunately, we won't be able to get inside the shops or any establishments, including restaurants, because we don't have the QR code or the COVID pass that shows that we are fully vaccinated. Although we are fully vaccinated in Qatar, but the our vaccine certificates is not accepted. We went to the pharmacies in order to validate our vaccine certificates, but they don't accept it as they only accept vaccine certificates within the European countries. So we're still sorting out. We're trying to figure out how we can ensure that our COVID vaccine certificates are accepted here, and we will be able to get the QR code. So we will give you an update on that. But for now, we're just roaming around outside, walking around, and won't be able to get into the restaurants. We always have our food on drive-through, fast food drive-through. So that's the only way that we can get our food, but we cannot dine in inside, or we cannot even buy something in 80 shops without the COVID pass.
I'm in the dark, now don't fold my foolish heart, and don't wait for magic sparks. Make it work, although we get stuck on the low. Breathe out, we can't forget. Hurts like a bayonet.